First step you have taken, I must say, that you're eager to improve, because when I was 1900 or 2000, I was also looking for ways to take my game to the next level and increase my strength. So the first step I would have for you regarding improvement is to solve a lot of tactics. I mean, no matter what is your strength, but especially if you have 1500, 1800, 2000, I think it's vital that you have a very good tactical foundation, because no matter what you're playing, opening, middle game, end game, tactics will always be there. And when I was very young, my coach he gave me a gigantic book of combinations, and at first I was like, oh my god, I have to solve this entire thing. But I must say that it was immensely useful. I mean, small combinations, because if you directly start solving big combination, it can be a little bit daunting. And even now, when I try to solve tactics, I first try to solve some easy ones to warm up myself, and that gives me an added confidence to solve more tactics which are even tougher. I would say that you should study the classical games, and I'm saying this because once you have a certain level, you would need to build up a game, and for that you should study the world champions of the past. I feel that's the best way to go about it, because for example, my first book was on the legend Capablanca, and I think it influenced my style. I still try to play solidly, and it makes an impact on you. You see certain patterns, and it helps you recognize the same in your game. So I would say that if you want to improve your strategic game or your end game, you should look at the games of Capablanca, Smyslov. If you lack some imagination or aggression, I would advise to see the games of Alekhine, Tal. I mean, those are really fascinating, and that would certainly help you increase your imagination. I think Kasparov also said that when he started studying the games of Alekhine, he learned a lot, and now you can see that there's a lot of similarity between their games. Also, one question which I was asked about was regarding online blitz. I personally love to play blitz, and I'm very addicted to it, I must say. Like, even when I was small, I used to play a lot of blitz games, and I think even a lot of players, for example Nakamura, they played tons of blitz games. I must advise you that if you play blitz games, there is a downside to it. Of course, it's a lot of fun and it's addictive, but like in my games, after I played a lot of blitz, I could not go deeper into a position. I got so used to playing moves immediately that sometimes when the position required a long think, I was unable to do so. So you should be wary about it, and you should definitely play blitz, but keep it in moderation. Play 10 to 15 games. The way I do is I play on trial and error basis, because I feel that maybe I should play fast, then I try to play a few games fast. If it doesn't work out, then I change a little bit. If I think that I'm playing too fast, then I try to think for 2-3 seconds before each move, and to each his own, because everyone has a different personality. And the best way I feel for you to improve your blitz game is to make trial and error, because anyways it's mostly fun, so you can take a few losses, and I think you will discover your own style with that.